Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are saying goodbye to my E46 Sedan. I know I have not been active here on the channel for the last few months, nor on any of my social medias except for TikTok. But on February 28th, my car died. The video that I'm about to show you is going to refer to its last leg. So I'll let you guys have a watch. So yeah, the rod knock was so severe that a rod was about to shoot through the motor, which I'm sure you guys heard. Where it sits right now is where it's been sitting for the last 4 months, unfortunately. Amazingly, it doesn't look bad still. It's not in bad shape. It's not too dirty.
What?
You know, the previous paint corrections that I've done kind of helped preserve it. The interior's, you know, kind of a mess right now because I pulled the radio from the car and put it in my convertible, which I will go over the convertible in a future video of all the mods that I've done to it since I've started daily driving it. But like I said, that's for another video. Some guy just gave me a thumbs up for doing YouTube right now. So like I said, I'm saying goodbye to this car as it is. And the reason I say as it is, when I decide to rebuild this car, it won't look like this again. I feel like I have run this car's course under its current look, its current drivetrain. So for the last 15 years, this car has gone through a couple transformations. It's been through a manual swap, an engine swap. Cosmetically, it's been transformed, even though to most people it's probably a mild transformation. I never wanted anything crazy with this car. I wanted, you know, an OEM plus car. And that's basically how I've had this car set up for the last 3 years. And I have enjoyed it these last 3 years, minus, you know, the transmission dying and now the engine dying twice. It has taken me to and from where I've wanted to go, and it has grown with me as I've grown, and I think it's time for a change. And when this car gets shipped off in the next few minutes, as I'm recording this video, I'm currently waiting on the tow truck to come pick it up. Where it goes next is going to be the beginning of a new chapter for it. I can't wait to introduce you guys to that new chapter. It's going to take some time, a lot of effort, a lot of money. In the end, I know what I want. I know I can achieve it. I'm very looking forward to starting the new build. We're going to start fresh. I appreciate all the new subscribers that have come. I've been watching the numbers. I look forward to sharing a lot of this with you guys on YouTube, documenting this over the next however long it's going to take. And I will continue to do content on my convertible because a lot of the mods that I was planning to do on this car will be done on that car now. Again, it's going to take some time. I'm going through a lot of life changes right now. I look forward to the future. And it starts today by getting this thing out of here. So with that said, I thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.